career is something that is usually in a big city or in an area where there are people who have a little bit more money to spend, and that is a wardrobe stylist or a personal shopper. And a lot of people in LA use them. They typically, I have some friends who do it, and you could work on photo shoots or you could work with a client individually. So if you have a client who does a lot of photo shoots, does a lot of press, or is a socialite, they go to a lot of events, they go to a lot of galas, award shows, like you never know, or they just need outfits to wear, or they go on a lot of trips and they're doing a lot of media things, they might need someone to style them or to come up with looks and concepts for them. So this is a great opportunity. You could even extend that into doing like their whole closet and reorganizing their entire wardrobe, putting things together, showing them the new pieces each season, showing them the collection and stuff. And there's also the wardrobe stylist for photo shoots in the fashion side. So I've worked with people on that side where we have a collection of clothes and we need to do a photo shoot. So they will actually look at our collection, they will go shopping for us, they would go buy the shoes, the jewelry, any hair accessories that they think would make this winter collection come alive. So they might need to buy beanies, gloves, whatever, and make it look like a real outfit so that we can do the photo shoot without just, you know, our t-shirts on the model. So that is another aspect that people don't realize. And the people who do the wardrobe styling for photo shoots, they make big money on either side. You know, both sides of the wardrobe styling make money, but the photo shoot one, you know, you can make a lot of money. You have to really be a little bit more corporate, a little bit more to what the client wants, not so much your direction, but there is money to be made, and that's what we're here for, right? Owning a rental property or Airbnb. So I know you're thinking, girl, I cannot afford a house, that's why I'm here looking at all these videos. But if you get 2 to 3 friends after you've worked a job for like a year and some change, you might be able to afford a down payment on a property. And that might be a duplex where you live in part of it and the other people are renting part of it, or see how you and your friends can work it out, or a family. But it's an amazing opportunity because you could hire someone to come in and clean the space after the guests have left, or you could personally do it if you are on the property, and you could also be able to flip that and make more of those type of rental investments. There's also a cool opportunity where if you live in a city unlike New York, where you can buy an apartment and you could be able to rent it out to people. We have co-ops here, so you're kind of like not able to do that. But in other big cities, you would be able to buy an apartment in a place near an arena or a famous concert area where there's always concerts and events happening, and you'd be able to rent that space out so that when there is something and people don't want to drink and drive, they just want to be able to walk across the street and go to the event. That is the perfect place to put an Airbnb, or to get an Airbnb or that type of location. So hope you guys look into it, or any other type of rental service, because I know it's a huge industry and it's not going away. So pottery and glassware and homeware. So a lot of people don't realize there are people who actually design it, and then there's people who produce the product. You could be on either side where you're designing for a bigger collection, like there are people who are at Macy's or Calvin Klein or something like that. There's a designer who wants to create a line of homeware, and you could work with a private label brand that produces that product for them, and you design some stuff that's based on kind of their brand aesthetic. And then there's the other side where you could actually have your own collection of plates and dishes and glassware, and you could go to restaurants and potentially sell them on, hey, this is my collection, I can make 300 something plates for you, these work better for your restaurant because of X, Y, and Z, they're durable, and some restaurants do want a unique plate for their customers to look at and to remember them by, to photograph on Instagram and all of that. So that's another huge industry that you could dive deeper onto online, but it's amazing that there's someone designing everything. Like, don't forget, someone has to design everything. So plates, someone is designing plates, someone is designing bowls, someone works at West Elm is designing all of this. So all right guys, Okay guys, this next creative career is interior design, and I do not mean interior design for your personal house and for your personal bedroom. No, I mean interior design on the big scale. I have a friend who does interior design for big scale products like hotels, lobbies of hotels. Sometimes there are cities like in Seattle that they have apartment buildings that are fully furnished, so they already come with a dresser, they already come with a bed. It is as it is, like you rent it and that's it. And that usually works in places where there's college kids and all that. But someone is designing these airports, someone is designing hotels, someone is designing everything that's even large scale, the floor at Macy's. Someone chose that. Someone chose the carpet. Why not you? If you think that that's something that you're interested in interior design, but maybe you're interested in not someone's bedroom, you're interested in doing something larger scale, hotels, you never know. Like, there are so many opportunities in this space, and the units, the amount of product that you sell is commission. So you can get 5% of that sale, and if it's so many bedrooms for a hotel, like, do you know how much money? Like, a lot of money. Like, there is money to be made in interior design for bigger spaces, airplanes, you know, bathrooms, the tile, the sink, the mirror, all of that stuff is designed by someone. Someone chose it. So why not you? All right, guys. Thanks.